Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashanah here, back with a new video, and let's just get into this red. Like, y'all know red is my favorite color in the whole wide world, so I'm just feeling this whole red vibe, you know. So today we're gonna be doing another double cut crease, giving you browns, golds, yellows, and you know, red brick or whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This video will be my 200th video on YouTube. As you guys know, if you're new to this channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and be part of the family, you know. Today will be my 200th video, and it's just crazy because I've been on YouTube well 3 years now, and I really have 200 videos on YouTube. It's like, what? Like, I can't deal at this point in my life. So anyway, I've came a long way, especially with makeup. My makeup used to look trash. I look back at my photos, I'll be like, wow, you really went outside like that? But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this look. I have other double cut creases on my channel. Do I? No, I do. They are old double cut creases. They are not new and improved. However, if y'all want me to film more double cut creases, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to follow all my social medias. Of course, I do post looks on my social media, so just let me know if you want a video or whatever. I would definitely make that happen. So without further ado, let's get to this video because I'm tired of talking. Okay, so we have one eye already done because, you know, I don't know, like, I have to do one eye because usually when I do tutorials, I don't know what I'm doing. I have to, you know, get it together. So this is what I came up with. It's giving me, I don't know yet. I already put my eye, and I'm gonna be using a bunch of Morphe palettes. We got the 39A, we have the 35M, then we have the 25A, then we have, what else we have? And BH Cosmetics. Where did that palette go? This palette, the Gilded Reflection palette. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the Morphe 35A palette, and we're gonna just open this up, and I'm gonna go in with this shade here and this shade here. This on my eye. I don't know, I just like this method. You pack the darker color first, and then you blend out the crease with the lighter shade. I've been liking, okay, I see you. So I'm gonna go back into the 39A palette. Is it this palette? Yes, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. We're gonna go in with the Masquerade palette. We're gonna go into this deep red brick shade right here, and we're gonna just deepen up the crease. Now we're gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. We're gonna cut the crease. I'm gonna go in with the MAC 212 brush, and I'm gonna go back in with the Masquerade palette, and I'm gonna use, they drilling outside, they pissing me off. And I'm gonna go in with Ada again, and then I'm just gonna carve out that crease. So we're gonna set the concealer, and I'm gonna use my ColourPop Cosmetics under eye setting powder, and I'm gonna just set the concealer so there will be no crazy creasing, because, you know, this could be a very tedious eye, and you don't want to put all that work in and then next thing you know everything's creasing. It's not gonna be cute at all. Okay, so now we're gonna do the second crease. Like I said, wherever your eye folds, my eye folds right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. My eye folds right here, so I will put the double crease above that. because when I put the shimmer and it folds, I don't want it to transfer into the negative space. I'm going to go back into the 39A palette, and I'm going to go back into the same shades that I used for the crease, which is this shade. Now I'm going to go with my pencil brush and go in with the Morphe 39A, sorry, 35M palette. All these freaking numbers. I'm going to go into this shade right here. This gives me chocolate vibes, like Snicker bar chocolate vibes. So I'm going to go in with this, and I'm going to just place that on the outer V of my eye. And then I'm going to smoke that out this way. So basically, it's going to be ombre effect. So it's going to go into chocolate, the red brick color, and then it's going to be the middle, which will be the gold shades I'm going to be using. A small precision brush. Brushes like these are perfect when you're doing cut creases and, you know, doing little liners and little lines and stuff. Is perfect because it's like writing with a pencil. So I really definitely recommend if you really want to start getting into eyeshadow. Oh, I'm thinking about doing a eyeshadow starter kit. Like, if you want to start doing eyeshadows, what you should get. Oh, y'all just gave me an idea. I'm going to go in with now. We're going to do with the middle. I'm going to go in with the Morphe 25A palette. And I'm going to go in with this golden shade right here. This shade is so beautiful. Just one swipe, honey. One freaking swipe. Come on. Just one swipe. Look at that beautiful. That is beautiful. Look at that one swipe. So, to get the intensified shadow, just spray with any setting spray. It could be setting spray, water. Just spray the brush, get that all that in there, and watch the magic happen. I'm annoying. So we're gonna put that, and you see how foily that just got. Like, it just got a little bit foily. Foil. Okay, so now we're gonna go in, you know, blend out the edges with whatever we just put on our eyes. We're gonna just blend that out a little bit because we don't like harsh lines, and I don't want you guys having harsh lines either. So I'm trying to lead by example. So I'm gonna go in with the Gilded Reflection palette, and I'm gonna go into this yellow shade right here. I told you guys I freaking love this yellow shade. This yellow shade is bomb. you guys made it to the end of this video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias. Don't forget to let a sister know what you want to see, of course. Also, if you from YouTube and you following me, like, comment, be like, hey girl, from YouTube or Snapchat or whatever. So just let a sister know, you know. I love you guys so much. I'm gonna keep saying that, y'all. I'm gonna say it like 80 more times. No big deal. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out my previous videos. Everything will be in the description box. Have it pop up in the cards. Okay. Laters.